what, 35 laps, relatively uneventful. Lap traffic's obviously very busy when you're turning 10-second laps, but those last couple laps got very busy. Take me through it.
Yeah, I was pretty comfortable, and then was trying to peek back when I could, and I thought I had an okay gap on second, so I got a little caught off guard when he got into me into 3, and I was able to kind of half spin and go through the infield and still come out second, and knew there wasn't many laps left, so I had to really get up on the wheel there, and you run some different lines that I hadn't really ran too much throughout the race, but was able to get my momentum going up top in 3 and 4 and squeak by him coming to line.
This is a track that people talk about having a lot of fun. This is a place you haven't gotten to race at a lot. Not sure exactly how many times you've been here, but what did you think of this place here tonight?
Yeah, I mean, this was actually my first ever time to North Dakota, so no, it was cool. It was definitely a fun track. Similar, I guess, to I mean, a little different, but Wayne's Field or Cottage Grove in a way, just with how short and round it is and down the backstretch. But really exciting racetrack. You've been wanting to race here for quite a while, just because everybody talks so highly about it, and they talk highly of the race fans here too. So glad I finally got an opportunity to get here and get a win.
After your contact in Knoxville, what went through your mind when you saw? First of all, you feel yourself spinning, and then you see the 1S drive by you and load it.
Well, initially I thought it might have been a lapper, and then after he got into me and I got back going, I seen it was Logan, so I was like, okay, well, hopefully he thinks we're even now, and just started running hard, and you wanted to get by him, obviously to win, but you're not run into him, because I felt in my eyes we're even now. So, but no, it was good to get it done. I wasn't quite sure I could do it after we made contact there, but thankfully there was just enough laps left, and the lappers were kind of in his way to run where he needed to run around the bottom at 3 and 4.